Ayan, so magluluto ako ng Nigerian fried rice. So ito yung mga ingredients. So native chicken. Mas prefer ko yung native chicken kasi mas masarap yung ano niya, yung lasa. Tapos bigas. Ito yung bigas na buhaghag at saka yung matigas na bigas. Tapos may liver, garlic and onion. Tapos yung mixed vegetables, ito po nabili ko 1/4. At saka may paminta, turmeric, curry powder at saka nor cubes at saka asin. Okay, lagay na natin yung ibang ingredients para ma-boil na natin yung manok. So, ito nilagay ko yung curry, tapos paminta, turmeric para ma-yellow yung yung rice. May time sana, kaya lang hindi available. Wala sa market, kaya wala munang time. Tapos asin, at saka yung nor cubes. Mix mo lang, tapos ayan lang naman. Ayan, i-parboil ko yung rice para mas mabilis siya maluto pag nilagay ko na sa sa sabaw ng manok. Oo, kasi parang hindi na ako magdagdag ng maraming tubig para mas tasty yung sabaw kasi walang maraming tubig. After nito, hugasan mo lang din yung bigas na ilang beses. Ayan. Saka mo ilagay sa pinag-boilan mo ng chicken. So, after parboiling the rice, dito mo siya ilalagay. Pero before that, syempre, kukunin muna natin yung chicken. Ayan, so pwede na natin ilagay yung rice. Ayan, dahan-dahan lang. So, check nyo lang din yung amount ng tubig. Yung hindi masyado marami. Since mabilis na maluto yung rice kasi na parboil na po siya. Remove ko lang din yung ibang tubig para hindi siya basa. Hi!
Hello! How are you guys doing?
It is too. We're waiting for the food.
How are you guys doing?
Hi! Santo.
Santo, say hi.
Santo.
Bye-bye.
Huh? Bye-bye?
Say bye-bye. Do bye-bye.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Santo. Hello. See forehead. It's the same forehead.
No picking. So you want him to carry your phone. You know my picking? Why my picking no go resemble me?
You don't resemble you now. What? That one is another thing.
You will go and explain. My picking no resemble me. You have question to answer.
Some. This one's they're waiting for their food.
But I'm sure maybe not.
This is saliva.
They will not be making.
Let me turn the liver. So now, i-fry ko na yung liver, tsaka add ko na lang din yung chicken para isahan na. So yung liver, i-slice mo siya into cubes na maliit. Yan, para mag-add din siya ng color sa fried rice natin. Ayan, nasunog na. Lagay na yung mixed vegetables, tapos mix lang. Since itong asawa ko gusto ng sili, lagyan ko na lang ng konti para naman hindi magalit. Yan, check na natin yung rice. Okay, parang pwede na. Ayan. So, pwede na to. Okay na. Add na din yung liver. Tapos, mix ng konti. Tapos, if gusto niya dagdagan ng, ng butter, or ng butter, pwede din. So, ngayon, you can add your rice na, for me, I just cook it like that, na I'll put it all together na para no stress. Ayan, para isahang mix-mix na. Pero you can cook naman na yung paunti-unti mo siyang i-fry. Ayan, kung anong bet mo, either you cook it like this or you cook it paunti-unti. Ayan, shout out to my hubby. He's the one holding the camera. So now, mix-mix ko lang. Dahan-dahan lang. Ayan, okay na. Ready to serve. It's time for baby.
I thought they say you should stop calling your husband baby.
You're confusing the kids.
I swear to God. In fact, the kids will not be like, what am I? Daddy is good.
Yeah, this one is okay, Abby.
Which kind of okay? Why eat small food?
I thought you're on diet.
Are you okay? Which diet?
That
diet, where you want diet to go? Put food together, girl. No, it's okay, put one more. That one don't do.
Meat is okay.
Nah, put one more meat. Don't know, you don't serve man one meat. Two.
Put small.
No, two is okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, which one will use to eat the leftover? If you put
Tomorrow, I know. I'll eat two now. Is it not enough? Yeah.
Oh, okay, I know.
Yeah, he will chop.
I'll make that chop with you.
See enjoyment. They said that Nigerian don't drink sugar. Hey, Coke, is it not sugar? Get this. This is my food.
When you chop, now that one will carry down.
Oh yeah, how's the taste? How's the taste? So this one. Don't congratulate me.
You learn very fast.
See this one, as if you teach me this thing.
Whoever that teach you, did you before? Do you know how to cook fried rice?
I can learn. I can cook now,
Well,
but not Niger fried rice.
we are talking about this particular one. No? If have salad now.
That one will be balanced.
Well balanced. Don't put salad.
Balanced with Coke.
Very nice. That's like put salad.
And plantain. So now one full pack.
You can also add egg.
Egg?
Boiled egg.
Cut. Okay, now let me enjoy my food too. Bye bye.